Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the 6th day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Today, we're delving into the timeless art of wood joinery. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, mastering these techniques will elevate your woodworking projects to new heights. So, grab your tools and let's dive in.
Wood joinery is the cornerstone of fine woodworking. It's the art of connecting two or more pieces of wood to create strong and beautiful structures. There are countless methods out there, but today, we'll cover some of the most essential and timeless techniques. 1. Dovetail joint. The dovetail joint is renowned for its strength and aesthetic appeal. It's formed by interlocking trapezoidal pins and tails. Though it requires precision and patience, mastering the dovetail joint is a rite of passage for any woodworker. 2. Mortise and tenon joint. This classic joint is a workhorse in woodworking. It involves cutting a rectangular slot, mortise, into one piece of wood and shaping a corresponding projection, tenon, on the other. It's strong, versatile, and suitable for a wide range of applications.
3. Half-lap joint. Simple yet effective, the half-lap joint involves removing half the thickness of each piece of wood and then joining them together. It's commonly used in frame construction and cabinetry, offering both strength and ease of assembly. 4. Biscuit joint. Ideal for aligning and reinforcing butt joints. The biscuit joint involves cutting matching slots in two pieces of wood and inserting a thin, oval-shaped biscuit made of compressed wood. With the help of glue, it creates a strong and seamless connection. 5. Dowel joint. The dowel joint is a versatile and accessible method for joining wood. It involves drilling corresponding holes in the mating pieces and inserting cylindrical dowels, which are then glued in place. It's reliable and suitable for both structural and decorative purposes.
Remember, the key to mastering wood joinery is practice and precision. Start with simple joints and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're valuable learning opportunities. Well, that wraps up our journey through wood joinery. I hope you feel inspired to incorporate these timeless techniques into your own woodworking projects.
In this video, we told you wood joinery methods. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series we will learn step-by-step guide to building a basic wooden furniture piece. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.